Finally, it's time to take control of your Gmail once and for all. Hey GadInsider fam, welcome to the last part of our Gmail hack series. With a few clever tricks, you can turn your chaotic inbox into a productivity powerhouse and finally feel on top of your daily mail. First up, scheduling your emails is a game changer. Whether you're working with colleagues across time zones or just want your messages to land at the perfect moment, Gmail lets you pick the exact date and time to send. No more late night typing or wondering if your email will get lost in a flood of other messages. Just compose, click the arrow next to send, choose schedule, and you're done. Got more than one Gmail account? Start switching right now because you can consolidate multiple accounts into one central inbox. This means no more switching back and forth between work, personal, or side project emails. Just go to Settings, Accounts, and Import, and put all your emails together in one place. And for ultimate efficiency, connect Gmail to your CRM tool. This integration keeps all your contacts and emails synced with your projects or customers automatically, saving you hours of manual updates. You'll stay organized, track communication effortlessly, and get a clear picture of your workflow. With these hacks, plus smart features like templates, offline access, priority inbox, labels, undo send, and many other hacks in the previous parts, Gmail can stop feeling like a mess and start working for you. Suddenly, Inbox Zero isn't just a dream, it's a completely achievable reality. Start using these tricks today and turn your email chaos into a smooth, productive routine. For more useful tech tips and tricks, like this video, comment the hack you already knew, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.